The process of cervical screening in India is evolving following the WHO guideline on self-sampling. Annually, approximately 800 Indian women receive a cervical cancer diagnosis, resulting in approximately 250 fatalities. It's noteworthy that 80% of women diagnosed with cervical cancer have either never undergone screening or have irregular screening habits. The majority of cervical cancer cases are preventable. Detecting cervical changes early allows for prompt treatment, leading to improved outcomes and increased 30% chances of survival. The PAP test is being substituted with a cervical screening test. Previously, the biennial PAP test aimed to detect alterations in cervical cell structure. The new test, however, targets the presence of the human papillomavirus, HPV, which is responsible for almost all cervical cancer cases. HPV is a prevalent virus typically transmitted through sexual activity. Usually, the body clears the virus naturally. However, when it persists, it can lead to cellular changes that may eventually progress to cervical cancer. This transformation process can occur over a span of more than 8 to 10 years. The new test is more adept at identifying women who are at risk of developing cervical cancer by detecting the presence of HPV. It's crucial to undergo cervical screening even if you've received the HPV vaccine because the vaccine doesn't shield against all HPV types associated with cervical cancer. We at Aura Biotechnologies have pioneered an innovative and comprehensive test system. Our system encompasses a self-sample collection device, a viral DNA isolation device, and real-time PCR detection capable of identifying 14 high-risk human papillomavirus genotypes in a single test. Obtaining your own cervical screening test sample is a straightforward process with just a few steps. It's both safe and accurate. Your healthcare provider will guide you through the process and is available to offer assistance and advice whenever needed. Take a look at the self-collection swab alongside a tube containing viral preservation medium. Wait before opening it. Once you're in a private area for the test, locate a comfortable spot and lower or remove your underwear. Peel off the paper seal from the swab holding area and extract the swab and tube from the packaging. Handle it carefully, holding only the end of the swab. If you accidentally drop it or if the swab comes into contact with anything, you can request a replacement. The swab features a line or mark indicating how far to insert it. Gently insert the swab into your vagina up to this designated line, ensuring it penetrates a few centimeters. Rotate the swab gently for 10 to 30 seconds. While this may cause slight discomfort, it should not be painful. Afterward, remove the swab, break the marked portion of the swab, and open the vial. Place the swab into the vial, ensuring the head of the swab is submerged in the liquid. Replace the cap gently. That's all there is to it. Then return the self-collection tube to your healthcare provider. Discuss with your healthcare provider the next steps and the process for receiving your results.